I want to welcome us into this conversation, and I hope at the end of the day, we will be able to have a commitment from a personal point of view of what I am going to do in order to fix our nation moving forward.
I'm so excited to see the first edition of First Saturday's Hot Tea, Hot Issue take place today.
For me, it has just come as a reminder that we are finding ourselves in this situation because we have laws that we have refused to follow. We have failed to inculcate our constitutionalism culture, and therefore we have a people who are operating as if we lived in the forest, survival for the fittest and the fattest.
I've come to a place where I submit that democracy is a farce. It's a fallacy. We who have the space must change politics to be about what we want, not about who we want.
Kwa ground ndio tunasema kuja hapo utuongeleshe tukupatie kura. Msiwaita kahawa si wako kwa viti wa wafanyakazi nyinyi mafala, nyinyi ndio mabosi zao.
We're talking about Chama women, grassroots women coming to meet with guys who are policy makers, NGO leads, political activists. I think that convergence of thought, of ideas that we've had today around the governance of the country has been quite interesting.
Next time, don't wait for political parties to hire agents. Let's become the agents. Why do they want you to still be ignorant? Why do they want you to still stay like that? Why don't they want to kutengeneza barabara yako? Mbona bado kuna trash? Na kwa nini mbona sina street lights?
Coming together is the beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is the success.
The general public, being uninformed, has caused people in the political spaces or even major private sectors to do what they want. Hamjui si tutafanya tu.
We don't skip the line when we vote. It's people we vote for who skip the reasons we vote them for.
The first people to be compromised in a society are the lawyers. We have an upcoming election for the law society. There's going to be a change at the top. Please follow keenly what happens, because that institution impacts you directly, whether you vote or not.
It's the tiny things that we do over and over again that amount to the big things that is the mess we have said we are in. We have to learn how to follow the law, to follow the process. There are no shortcuts, guys.
The truth about our today is to be able to understand our yesterday, so that today we can courageously say, this is the truth about our history. And because this is the truth, what kind of history do we want to demonstrate as together we build this historical moment of the time that we are living?
And this is my commitment and a challenge to you, all of us here. Number one is just be introspective and reflective. Understand that you're a fallen mortal being. You're not different than them. That humility will keep you in check. Don't think when I get there I'll be different. Ati mimi I'm better than these guys. So kwa hivyo nitafanya. No, you'll be worse than these people up there.
Nobody is coming to save us, people. It is up to all of us, because all of us have something to do with influencing how decisions go, who gets elected, who we vote for, how we influence those around us and who they vote for, and what service we eventually get after that. Let's not sell it for short-term money during election time and then complain for 5 years.
One of my commitments is to see how do these spaces in the future include people who look like me. We live within similar homes, we use the same roads, we use same services. If it's hospitals, we're also just having the same challenges. So really just to look at how do we weave conversations that bring everyone as a mosaic as we are as a society, so that then we're hearing what are we fighting with in our own spaces, that everyone else is empathetic, that we are driving the same issues with an understanding, not from hearsay that we had, or I had, or I didn't know how this feels to you, because we are all affected by leadership. So thank you so much.
I am the change that I am looking for, and I hope that through this space we'll be able to inspire Kenyans to look for that change from within themselves outward.
As you hold leaders accountable, how are you holding yourself accountable? And that should be your commitment to making this country a better place.
We couldn't have asked for a better first Saturday edition, and I look forward to having more and more of these conversations where we have different civic priests coming to share with us their wisdom, and us deliberating on what we've heard and what we can do and commit to when it comes to building this beautiful country that we love called Kenya.